We got cost, 12 o'clock. Right side contact. Good sprint, bro.
Hey, watch out. Window. Hey, break down, let's go this way.
I didn't get hit. They finally breached it? Huh?
You guys kept tossing grenades into my lap. They just would land right on my nuts. I'm like, fuck you. Hey, no! Break it down! Break it down! You guys over here.
Hey, we got guys on our left, Nick. We got guys left in those bushes. Tan.
We can get you okay.
Yeah.
You gotta specify. You're back! Move up! And you're back! Move up!
Oh, they're shooting.
Yep.
You want smokes? I got a twin vent.
Hey, Saul, where's our Saul? Hey, Saul.
You want it? Where do you want to go?
Saul.
Which side?
Yeah, put it over to the left.
To the left?
Unknown.
Ready? Smoke out.
Saul, you guys ready? Hey, where are y'all pushing to? This building over here. We got contact in that building. Stop it. We'll cover y'all. Go! Go! Let's go. Go. Friendly.
They got a saw. They got a saw. They got a saw.
That's it.
Nick, are you up? Nick, come. Yeah, I see him. Nick, there's guys directly behind that building you're aiming at on the back side. Yeah. I already threw it. I threw that one over there. They're getting there. All right, you want to move up with them? Let's go.
Game over.
I got hit. Damn it. On the dome, bro.
Dude, I don't know where the fuck the rest of my team was, man.
I got a dome paste.
Oh, right here?
Medic! Medic!
Cover me.
Right here. Yeah.
How about getting?
Pretty good. Just wrap it up, bro.
Go.
Thank you, sir.
There's a window open. There's a window open. Can't open window. No. Where'd that go off?
That was over here. That was right next to the dead dude.
Hey guys, keep your eyes peeled back. Is this garage open?
Bradley's on that side or no?
No. Drag it.
Right him.
Oh, yes, thank you.
Okay, so
He's down.
watch left and go for the door. Go for the door. Go for the door. Go. Yeah. Go. Okay, moving. Watch out.
I got a grenade. You ready?
Yep, that's it. Oh, you get it? You window?
Watch the left, too.
Doesn't matter. I got left. I got across the street. I got left. Get in the window. Go through the window. Jump against if you can.
I got hallway. 10.
Game over.
I just got ear hold.
It's ours. Building clear. Oh, where's the medic? Bandages.